refreshment facilities. You'll find a little bar where you can buy teas, coffees, sandwiches and other snack foods. So it's a very short crossing, this one, the shortest of them all. I hope you enjoy it, and we're going to pass by the little island of Lobos, the Isla de Lobos en route. It's a lovely day, but you know we have to sit inside. All these ferries have inside seating for the most part. I think there is a little area where you might be able to sit inside. Okay, Bocaina Express. So I'll be back with you as quickly as I can. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll see if we can get the luggage loaded onto this container. I'll be back with you shortly.
Ya estará eso hablen con el director. Hablen con el
It was designated in 2009 a reserve of the biosphere. That designation was given by UNESCO. So has a lot of natural wonders, beautifully formed volcanoes, sand dunes, and the best and biggest beaches on all the Canary Islands. This is the Canary Islands the Canarians spend their holidays in. So, just a couple of minutes to the Coralejo Bay Hotel. Now, our driver for this very short journey is Claudio. So, Claudio is taking us from Coralejo Port into the resort of Coralejo to the Coralejo Bay Hotel. So this is a popular resort with a lot of British tour operators, although Saga don't have a hotel here. So this hotel we're staying at, there will only be our group of Saga guests, although other tour operators do use it. And anyway, I've spoken about checking in. The objective is to make the check-in as smooth and quick as possible. But what we will do when we arrive is we'll get the cases unloaded. In fact, I've already called the hotel, so the porter will be ready to unload the suitcases. And because I've marked all the suitcases with the room numbers, then they'll get on with delivering the cases to the rooms. Now, the registration form, which I hope you've completed, the bottom left-hand corner. Now, just hold on to it for a minute. When we go inside the hotel, please take a seat. There's a large sort of reception lounge area. in the vicinity. The hotel is in a very good location. So it's a purpose-built resort area, this Coralejo. Tomorrow we have our included excursion leaving at 9:15. That will take us down to the centre of the island, inland to Fuerteventura, the old capital. The present day capital is Fuerteventura, which is on the east coast, like Island is on the east coast of Lanzarote. We are now at the Barcelona Coralejo Bay. So everyone, I'll give you some further information in a minute. So for the moment, make sure that you have all of your personal belongings with you. Don't leave anything on board the coach. And please just make your way straight inside and take a seat in the lounge area.
Plans with Fuerteventura as well, but you must have heard it, so